What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now, yes, I've already done a tempered glass screen protector fitting for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. If you haven't seen that, linked right here. This one again is a bit different. You've got scratch resistant, 9H hardness, 0 bubbles and ultra clear. So I'm just going to do this quick because I've done so many of these now. So this may be the last one you see, depending on if we get any from Spigen, etc. But this one is the privacy protector for the 14 Pro Max. So let's go ahead and let's get it out. So supposedly this is the only easy one that's available on Amazon right now. So I bought it to test it out to see what it's like. And obviously because I bought it, I can say what I like. Okay, so that's empty box. You get a little pouch there. So you get 2 screen protectors, which is really good. Cut out for dynamic island at the top right here, which is clear. So let me put that to one side, I'm not going to need that. Your installation guide for one touch. You get 2 screen protector accessory packs, we're going to need 1. And this is a ginormous, 2 in fact, ginormous dust removal stickers. Pretty big compared to what I'm used to. So let me just put one to one side and get the other one right here. So I have got a screen protector on this right now. I've got the one from Caseology on here. So let's go ahead and let's take it off the phone. Nice and easy. Let's get the other one out. So it has got a film over it, as you can see. But fingers crossed when we fit it, it should be good. So let me go ahead and let me get the accessories out of the pack. Microfiber. Register your product to unlock unlimited lifetime warranty. Tiny dust removal stickers, that's what we're after. And a lovely wet wipe. No squeegee. No squeegee, they think that you probably don't need it. So let's go ahead and use this microfiber and give the phone a good going over. Just take off any crap that might be on there from the previous screen protector. I know we're going to wet wipe it and then we're going to use this again, but just give it a quick once over. Makes life a little bit easier when you're trying to install a new protector. Just give it a quick once over. Okay, place that out the way. Next up, you're going to grab your wet wipe. You're going to undo it. And you're going to go over that phone. Make sure you get everything off the phone. The previous screen protector, bits that have stuck to it at the sides, you know, in case you haven't been using a case or whatever. And for the first time ever, I probably am going to go ahead and switch the phone off as well, because it's caused a few issues just lately when fitting screen protectors. So let's go ahead and let's do that. Let's place it to one side, get your microfiber again, and just give it a quick once over. Take off any of the wetness, otherwise it will cause a few issues when installing the new screen protector. Okay, so let me go ahead and switch the phone off. Okay, and there we go. Now quick once over for where I've wiped. Quick once over with the microfiber. Okay, grab some dust removal stickers. I'm going to grab the big one. Not the big giant one, I'm going to grab this one. And we're just going to go over that screen and take off any dust that you can see that's landed. It's always best to make sure you get a perfect installation. Okay, so now obviously we're near enough at the end now to where we can start fitting the screen protector. But I just want to make sure we've got everything off. Okay, so we seem to be good to go. Grab this, you're going to peel off the backing paper, like so. Be careful not to prise off that. Now make sure the dynamic island goes at the top of the phone. You're going to place it over the phone like so. Run your finger up. Run it back down. And just let the screen protector do its thing and adhere to the phone. I haven't showed you that, but let me just show you this. It says top at the very top right here. So even if you can't see the dynamic island, it does say top right up there. Okay. And you prise this bit off like so. Okay, so let me go ahead and give it a quick wiping over. Okay, so here we go, fully fitted. So let's go ahead and switch the phone on. And let's see how good privacy protected is when the phone's back on. So all nice and fitted, looked the part. Let's see if Face ID works. First time. So if we lower it down ever so slightly, so that is what you're going to be looking at if you've got it on the lower settings. So let me hide it up ever so slightly. Let's go to about 75%. That is what you're going to be looking at. Clarity, perfectly clear. Now, if I turn it to the side, as you can see, it starts to dim out, but it is still on. So, dimmed out. And then to the other side, exactly the same, but it is still on. So, dim and dim. So, all fully fitted. Face ID works as it should. Absolutely perfect. Clarity is super clear. You can scan through your apps. Feels super premium, as it should, for a tempered glass screen protector. 9H hardness, going to protect your phone and stop them prying eyes from looking at it. So let me go ahead and fit on this, the Apple leather case. It's fitted on like so. It's all fitted in, there we go. Nice and protected now with the Apple leather case and the privacy protector to stop those prying eyes, and also keep your screen nice and scratch free. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I'm going to leave this linked in the description down below to where you can pick it up for yourself. But let me know what you think. Would you get a privacy screen protector or a normal one? As I say, caseology video I'll also leave in the description down below too, with the link for those. So let me know what you think. Drop a like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn on those notifications so you don't miss future uploads from this channel just like this. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care guys, stay safe. Bye.